Hi, in this video I will show you how to group rows and columns in Google Sheet to help you organize your tables and make your data much easier to read. First, we're gonna start by grouping the north region. So I'm gonna select my row, then right click, go to view more row actions and group rows 2 to 4. You see? It's grouped. And now, for example, if I want to just group the electronics, so I'm just gonna select row 2 and 3, do the same thing, and here we have a group inside a group. For this ones, for example, for the month, I'm gonna group these ones, same thing. And here you see I have only Q1 and I wanna Q2. And if I want to only have the annual, so I'm gonna group all of them G to K, and like that I can see only the annual, the quarters, and I can see the details of each quarter. Voila, and now you know how to group rows and columns in Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.